Every year, nearly 8 million tons of turkey are consumed globally, a staggering figure that prompts a compelling question: how is this massive production even possible? Turkey farming today is a highly industrialized process, driven by automation, precision, and relentless efficiency. Gone are the traditional methods. This is farming reimagined for scale and speed. But what exactly happens behind closed doors? What systems are in place to raise, feed, and process millions of birds? And how do farmers ensure quality while keeping up with soaring demand? In this video, we'll uncover the complete life cycle of a turkey. From the artificial insemination lab to the automated hatcheries, high-speed feeding systems, harvesting operations, and finally factory processing lines. Get ready to explore the hidden world behind one of the most iconic staples in modern cuisine. What you learn today might just change the way you think about your next holiday meal. To meet the staggering global demand for turkey meat, the production process starts long before a chick ever hatches. With artificial insemination, this method has become the industry standard due to the physical size of male turkeys, which makes natural mating impractical. Each week, trained technicians inseminate hens once, and this procedure is carried out 4 days a week. Using streamlined routines and ergonomic tools, workers can inseminate between 500 to 600 turkeys per hour. This high-speed process is essential for maintaining output across industrial-scale farms. After insemination, hens lay fertilized eggs which are promptly collected and transferred to climate-controlled incubators. These sophisticated machines are calibrated to recreate the warmth and moisture of a natural nesting environment. But there's more to it than just heat. Automated egg-turning mechanisms rotate the eggs at regular intervals, mimicking the behavior of a mother hen. This prevents the embryo from adhering to the shell and helps ensure uniform development. Each incubator can house thousands of eggs, and workers monitor them closely for any signs of abnormalities. Internal sensors track temperature, humidity, and rotation schedules to prevent any variations that could affect hatching success. Over the course of 28 to 30 days, the developing embryos grow inside their protective shells. As hatching time nears, the incubators shift to lockdown mode, halting the egg rotation to allow the chicks to orient and break through the shell. Eventually, the eggs crack open and tiny, downy chicks emerge, each just a few ounces in weight, but destined for a rapid transformation. These newborns now move to the next stage in the journey: feeding and growth. Once the chicks hatch, their survival hinges on one vital element: nutrition. They're immediately moved into climate-controlled barns, fitted with automated feeding systems that deliver feed consistently and evenly. The feed in pellet form is rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals, designed to fuel rapid growth and support bone and feather development. Alongside this, automated water lines ensure the chicks stay hydrated. These systems activate when pecked, requiring no human contact. To support their health, the barns maintain ideal conditions using sensors and control systems that regulate temperature, humidity, and light. Even small deviations in temperature can lead to illness or slower growth, so precision is crucial. As the birds mature, their dietary needs change. Farmers gradually adapt the feed formula, introducing nutrients suited for older birds to continue boosting size and health. This strategy enables the turkeys to grow fast, healthy, and consistently across the entire flock. Within just a few weeks, those once tiny chicks become fully feathered and significantly heavier. Their transformation is a testament to the finely tuned system that supports them every step of the way. Soon they'll reach the final stage: harvesting and processing. Once turkeys reach market weight, usually within 4 to 5 months, they are ready to be harvested. At this point, each bird weighs between 15 to 40 pounds, depending on the breed, gender, and whether it's destined for whole bird sales or further processing. The harvesting process begins with careful collection. Workers use low-stress herding techniques to guide the turkeys into metal transport cages, minimizing noise and movement to prevent panic or injury. These cages are then loaded onto tractor trailers specifically designed for poultry, with proper ventilation and spacing to ensure the birds remain calm and safe. Timing is key. The logistics are tightly controlled so that once the turkeys leave the farm, they are taken directly to the processing plant with minimal holding time. This reduces the stress levels in the birds, which is crucial not only for animal welfare but also for maintaining high-quality meat. Upon arrival at the facility, the birds are unloaded in groups and placed onto a conveyor belt system that moves them gently into the next phase. This marks a turning point, from the world of farming to the realm of industrial food processing, where speed and precision become the focus. Everything here is designed for efficiency, humane handling, and product consistency. Once the turkeys arrive at the processing plant, they enter one of the most technologically advanced parts of the production chain, where live animals are transformed into food products through a carefully regulated high-speed process. The first step is stunning. Each turkey is gently hung upside down on a moving conveyor system by its legs. They are then passed through a stunning station, most commonly an electric water bath, which renders them unconscious in less than a second. This ensures the animals don't feel pain during slaughter and complies with strict welfare regulations. Immediately afterward, the turkeys are bled and then moved into hot water scalding tanks. The precise water temperature loosens their feathers without damaging the skin, preparing them for the plucking stage. Timing here is critical. Too long and the skin tears, too short and feathers remain. Next comes the automated plucking machine. This large drum-like system is lined with dozens of rotating rubber fingers. As the turkeys spin inside, the fingers gently but thoroughly remove all feathers in seconds. The process is fast, efficient, and remarkably clean. Throughout this stage, waste products like feathers and blood are diverted through specialized channels and collected for byproduct use, such as pet food, compost, or biofuel. This not only reduces environmental impact but also maximizes the value of every part of the bird. By the time this phase ends, the turkeys are fully defeathered, cleaned, and sanitized, moving swiftly toward the precision cutting lines. The shift from animal to meat product is now visibly complete, and it all happens in a matter of minutes. After defeathering, the turkeys move into the precision cutting zone, where cutting-edge automation turns poultry into perfectly portioned products. This phase is a high-speed choreography of technology and precision. Each bird is placed onto a processing conveyor, where digital scanners assess its size, weight, and orientation. This data feeds into automated blades that instantly adjust to execute highly accurate cuts. Whether it's separating wings, thighs, breasts, or removing the backbone, every motion is optimized to maximize yield and reduce waste. In major facilities, these systems operate at breathtaking speed, processing between 5,000 and 10,000 turkeys per hour. Behind this efficiency is a network of quality control sensors, tracking blade position, cut depth, and alignment. If any cut deviates from set standards, the system flags it or pauses the line to maintain product integrity. As the cutting continues, secondary parts like the head, neck, tail, and organs are routed through dedicated lines. These parts are used for pet food, broths, or rendered into useful byproducts, supporting a zero-waste philosophy. Next, the meat is passed through inspection points. Human supervisors and automated systems check for uniformity and safety. Some plants incorporate X-ray detection and metal scanners to catch any fragments that could compromise quality. Finally, the turkey parts are weighed, packaged, vacuum sealed, labeled, and stored in refrigerated units to maintain freshness before shipment. Everything is tracked digitally for traceability. This entire operation is a blend of robotics, food engineering, and logistics, built to deliver safe, consistent, and ready-to-cook turkey to homes around the world. Beyond the machinery, speed, and science, turkey holds a special place in Western culture. It's more than just a food product. It's a symbol of gathering, gratitude, and tradition. In the United States and Canada, turkey is the centerpiece of Thanksgiving, a holiday rooted in history and shared meals. In many homes, it also stars during Christmas dinners, bringing families together over a dish that represents abundance and celebration. But what many don't realize is the vast, complex system that brings that bird to the table. From artificial insemination and high-tech hatcheries to automated feeding, harvesting, and factory precision, every stage of production is a feat of modern engineering. Millions of people, from farmers to factory technicians, play a role in making that holiday meal possible. Understanding this journey helps us appreciate not just the food itself, but the technology, labor, and innovation that support our everyday lives. And while turkey is especially iconic in North America, its reach has gone global, appearing in menus across cultures, cuisines, and continents. So next time you sit down to carve a turkey, you'll know the remarkable story behind it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video for more behind-the-scenes looks into how our world really works.